Let's have a quick understanding of what is spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green microalga that grows in alkaline rivers or ponds at warm climates. They can produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Spirulina can be produced in various kinds of products in the market, such as capsules, powder, tablets, and even raw spirulina. For our team, we decided to produce spirulina powder as a final product of the production line. The reasons we choose to produce spirulina powder are its long shelf life of around 2 years, ease of storage, and suitability for all ages from infants to old age. It also has a high market growth rate, but how great is the global market of spirulina? Let's see.
Next, we'll be talking about the current global market for spirulina. It is anticipated that by 2029, the spirulina market is expected to grow to USD 1,077.96 billion with a CAGR of 10.6%, and the powder category is expected to grow at the quickest CAGR of 10.7%. So why is the global market of spirulina growing so quickly? Firstly, it is due to its rich source of nutrients like vitamin A and E. Secondly, the growing demand for natural food supplements. This is mostly due to the increased demand from makers of nutraceuticals as a result of rising consumer health consciousness. Lastly, it has a relatively low production cost as it requires less room and resources. Next is the impact of COVID-19. COVID-19 had a favorable effect on the growth of the spirulina market. As due to COVID-19, health awareness of the public has increased. Therefore, most businesses concentrated on creating dietary supplements and food products based on spirulina. Furthermore, to boost immunity against the coronavirus, use of spirulina has also been increased in the healthcare industry.
We chose to build our spirulina plant at the industrial area in Lahad, Perak, because it is far from the residential area and can avoid from disturbing the residents in Lahad. Besides, Lahad is well equipped with the facilities and infrastructure ranging from the malls, KTM station, airport, hospital, and so on, which can be very convenient to the employers working at our factory. Furthermore, there is also a chemical supplier which can provide us with the chemicals required for the xerox medium, wastewater treatment company to deal with the wastewater produced in spirulina cultivation, and lastly the packaging company for our spirulina product because we decided to do the packaging outsourced. The climate in Lahad is quite stable. The annual temperature is around 27.6 degrees Celsius with a monthly average rainfall of 40 days. This condition is quite suitable for the spirulina cultivation. Moreover, we are also able to receive the incentive from the Perak state government, such as discount on industrial land premium and a 90-year period of land lease. We can also apply for other incentives through the Malaysian federal government such as MIDA and MD.
Our production line starts from the raceway ponds where the culture of spirulina is introduced into a medium for it to cultivate. The raceway pond consists of paddle wheels and air feed from the bottom to encourage growth of the spirulina culture. Next in line is the sedimentation and washing process. This is the stage where most of the medium used is recycled back into the raceway ponds. The product is a sludge of wet spirulina free from remnants of the medium. The sludge then gets vacuum filtered to get a cakey consistency. Then, the cakey mass of spirulina is fed into a flash dryer to fully dry it. Finally, the dry mass of spirulina gets grinded into a powder and is ready to be packaged.
In conclusion, spirulina is a type of microalga which is considered as a natural food supplement packed with nutrients. Our group chose to produce spirulina powder because it is easier to store and has a longer shelf life. Production cost of spirulina in Malaysia is relatively low if the building of the plant and equipment is not included. It also has export value, making it a very profitable business in Malaysia. In addition to that, the global potential growth of spirulina is high as more and more people are consuming spirulina supplement. Thank you for watching our presentation about spirulina.